This is the Quailridge RV 400 square foot park model. Metal roof, vinyl siding, thermal insulated windows and doors. It's a beautiful unit by Quailridge. Quailridge is a Forest River company. Stepping into the unit, you have a very spacious looking living room with recliner, leather recliner and leather sofa sleeper. Lots of window space, plenty of room for that large screen TV on the wall. Plus this has an electric fireplace, wainscoting around the walls, beautiful white interior, ceiling fans. This has a open bar with 4 bar stools. You have a nice hutch area off the edge of the kitchen for that extra storage space, extra appliance parking. Nice beautiful taupe colored cabinetry. Lots of storage, crown molding on top, 30-inch convection microwave with smooth top, electric range, a lot of drawer space, deep sinks, tile backsplash, and this has got a double door stainless steel refrigerator. Beside that, it is prepped for a washer dryer if you decide you would like to have one, or it can be a coat closet or storage area. Nice spacious bathroom in this unit with house type elongated toilet, lots of storage areas, nice big sink, storage underneath, plenty of room to set your stuff, medicine cabinet, and this has got the 60-inch double seat fiberglass shower with glass doors. Plenty of headroom. This unit has the upgrade queen, full house queen mattress and box springs, cabinets above, nightstands, 6 big drawers, and lots of storage passes through for a lot of your clothes. Nice big windows in the rear. Storage up above the cabinetry. Ceiling fan back here in the bedroom. Again, this is the Quailridge RV 400 square foot park model by Forest River.